Fun with Kiri and Lou.
Good morning, Rockaroonie. My favourite rock in the whole world. Time for breakfast. Hungry pucku. Oh, Rockaroonie, I miss you already. You're the best. Mwah. Hey, I've got an idea. Want to come with me? Come on. Oh, come on, Rockaroonie. It'll be fun. There you go. Rockaroonie, wait! Not that way! Rockaroonie!
Oh, flower, you're the loveliest thing. You make me want to sing. La, 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 la.
Rockaroonie! Stop!
Kevin? Does that sound like a huge rock rolling straight towards us?
Oh, Nairi, don't be silly.
Oh, flap your wings! Kevin, quick, flap your wings!
Sorry, guys! Rockaroonie! Please stop!
Oh, flower, you light up the day, and I can't help but say, la, 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 la.
No, watch out! Oh, dear.
Oh, flower, here is a tune that I simply must croon. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, hi, Kitty.
Hi, Lou. I was just, taking Rockaroonie for a walk. Lovely day.
I'm singing a song about a flower.
Can I sing it with you?
Well, that would be lovely.
A
A beautiful flower. A very beautiful flower. Oh, flower, you're so beautiful, so very, very beautiful to me.
And me. And me. And me.
Oh, flower, you're so beautiful,
Your beauty's indisputable.
to me.
And me. And me. And me.
Oh, flower, we just want to say thank you for being you today. My flower.
Oh, Lou, I'm so sorry.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Awkward. Rather.
Kitty!
Yeah?
Kitty, quick, come here.
What?
Look at that. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful?
No, never.